If you're thinking about buying IHAPPY Technology PTE, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. This company has been making waves, but is it the right choice for you? Stick around because I'll walk you through 7 key things you need to be aware of, and trust me, by the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether or not this is the best move for you. First off, IHAPPY Technology. PTE offers a range of tech solutions that might catch your eye if you're looking for innovative software in the market. One of the things that stands out about their products is the user-friendly design, which is something a lot of competitors struggle with. But is it just the ease of use, or is there more behind the surface? Well, compared to other players in the industry, IHAPPY Technology PTE doesn't just prioritize the look and feel. They focus heavily on functionality too, making it suitable for both beginners and those who are more advanced in tech. Next thing to consider is how well the product integrates with other platforms. A lot of tech companies out there fail to provide seamless integrations, which can lead to frustration down the line. IHAPPY Technology. PTE has done a better job than most when it comes to integrating with popular tools like CRM systems, marketing automation software, and project management apps. This makes it incredibly versatile for businesses that rely on these tools to keep things running smoothly. The third thing you need to know is about the customer support. While the product itself is top-notch, how well does the company support its users when things go wrong? From my experience, IHAPPY Technology PTE provides decent customer support. But keep in mind, there have been reports of slower response times compared to their competitors. This could be a deal breaker if you rely heavily on quick resolutions for your business. However, their support team is knowledgeable, which is something many companies can't boast about. Now let's talk about the price. IHAPPY Technology. PTE is not the cheapest option on the market, but it's definitely competitive when you look at the value you get. In fact, when compared to similar products, you're getting a lot for your investment, especially if you're after a tool that scales with your business. But it's not the lowest entry point, and if you're just starting out, you might want to explore other options before committing. Next thing to consider is the long-term value. With new features and updates being rolled out regularly, IHAPPY Technology PTE is one of those companies that doesn't rest on its laurels. They're always improving their products, ensuring that it doesn't get outdated anytime soon. This is a massive advantage over some competitors, who often neglect to update their software until it's far too late. The sixth thing to note is the learning curve. Despite its user-friendly design, there's still a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're trying to utilize all the advanced features. IHAPPY Technology. PTE is great for those who have some tech knowledge, but if you're a complete beginner, you might need to spend a little extra time getting up to speed. The final thing to know before purchasing IHAPPY Technology PTE is the free trial. You can test it out before you commit, and that's a huge advantage over other products that either don't offer trials or have very limited access. If you're on the fence, the free trial is a low-risk way to get a feel for the product and see if it fits your needs. So, to wrap things up, if you're thinking about buying IHAPPY Technology PTE, you now know exactly what to expect. From its seamless integrations to its solid customer support and ongoing product updates, it's clear that this company has a lot to offer. But before you make any decisions, remember that you can try it for free. Just click the first link in the description to get access to the best offer and exclusive benefits. Don't wait too long. Testing it out for free might just be the best decision you make today.